Hello friends, my name is Mantu Kumar Verma. I am an electrical engineer. Today I have designed a power and control wiring of an elevator. In this scenario, I have used RDOL starter for the rotation of a motor in reverse or in forward direction. These are the switches of individual floors. If I am pressing fourth floor switch, then elevator going up and stop at fourth floor. If I am pressing ground floor switch, then elevator down and stop at ground floor. If I am pressing second floor switch, then elevator going up and stop at second floor. Friends, this this software, if I have done any wiring mistake, then this simulator software give us error message. Thank you friends for watching.